All right. I just wanted to record a quick video about the market thoughts. You see, I would say there is no point being so bearish at this point, given the fact that what ETH has been doing. It just broke out from this consolidation zone, which was like for 3 months, right? No, for a month. I'm sorry, for a month. So it just broke out from that. What we're looking for is it gonna stay? Is it gonna stay and do something like this and push towards this area of consolidation, right? Or is it gonna fail and go to zero? That's the thing. Now at this point, you really shouldn't be looking for short opportunities. You don't want to be shorting this. See, daily RSI just crossed 50. We don't know what it's gonna do next. Is it gonna do this, and hang around here, or is it gonna just reset here and then keep pushing? So the 4 hour, let's check the 4 hour. Okay, the 4 hour, you can see it clearly, all this consolidation zone. Now 4 hour looks a little bit extended, so we could actually expect some pullback, but towards this region, you see this clean region here. So if it manages to hold above, then I think I don't see any problem pushing towards this area, which is like 1700. So the reaction over here is very important. We gotta be careful about that. If it manages to hold, I think we have a good potential. First target here and the second target here, 1700s. This is the area to be looking for swing shorts. I'm gonna show you why. Because that's the area of the original breakdown, right? If that area is reclaimed, like this, start trading above, and then we may push towards here. So I think we're gonna find some easy long setups as long as this plan works. I'm telling you again, it needs to stay above here. If it does this, then good riddance, it's gone. So I think this is the important region afterwards, the origin of the breakdown here at this point. But let's wait for this to happen first, and then we'll see what happens. I think we're in a good position for now. I'm telling you, I'm not telling you that this is going here or here. I'm telling you that this is a good place to be looking for longs as long as it holds above here, or above here, this line, because that's the original consolidation zone. We broke out, we test, and ideally we wouldn't want this to test it right away like this. We want price to hang around here a bit. Oops, sorry, fucking mouse. Hang around here a bit and then come down here and then make the push. If it comes down here right away, then I would say we may do this. Okay, I hope that's clear. I think we have some solid setups. See, that also brings us to the, if this 3-day will push towards 50, then that's a nice confluence that this may push towards here, the 1700 region. So if it wants to do this and then continue its downwards move, then that will be a good place to do so. Let's check what else we have. Let's check the daily. See the daily from here on, since April, the daily hasn't crossed 50. So that's a good sign, you know? And the last time it did was over here at this run. And this was a pretty nice 40% run. You see, getting close to 50 level and then finally break it at this point and had a nice run right at this point. So we just broke it. Now if we just have a pullback on the daily, it may not even touch like this, you know, not touch 50 but correct. So we're gonna check the lower time frames for reset. For example, 4-hour reset would be a nice confluence. Yeah, since here, what is it? How much time? Yeah, since 100 days, it hasn't crossed 50. So I would be more bullish here than bearish. Unless, I said, you know, if we lose this level, retest, sell, and then same thing happens in RSI, and then that's done. That's done. But for now, there's nothing to be bearish about. Sol has been doing good. Again, turning daily into positive. If it flips here, then I think we have a nice run towards here. If it flips, if the flip comes like this, and synchronize it with ETH, I think this region is, I think first to clear these highs is the first target. And depending on the aggression of the rally, maybe we can see this. This is our top. This is, we no longer are looking for longs if we ever make it here. But first objective is these highs. We're gonna clear these highs and we'll see what happens next. Again, like ETH, if this shit breaks out from here, then probably it's gonna escalate quickly and then take out all these. Let's. I mean, they daily look fantastic, really. And you see, just crossed. And you see, the last time it did was here. Last time it did was this 3D day divergence and gave nice 80% move up. So the first time, a little attempt here was rejected by the SR level. Now we're above it. We're right under SR and it's most likely to break. Of course, resistance is still resistance, so we need to act accordingly, but this is a good picture. And yeah, this is actually this has the same look. Basically what we're looking for is this now, or even here, you see, maybe even here, all these highs, this can act as support. If the 4-hour resets around here like this, come down here, and then if it pushes up, then it's gonna be a nice push. And we're gonna be looking at all these highs to be taken, like as many as possible. Probably there is another resistance area here, but it's a low time frame resistance, so let's mark it out too, so we're aware of it. Okay, so 48, I think after 42, like after it if it clears this area, this run shouldn't be a problem for Sol. Then we'll see what happens. I think in these environments, this 80 is gonna be a bit too optimistic a target, but I think this is doable. These 54s, like let's mark these levels. I think these 48 and 54 is doable. And you remember, that there was this 3D divergence here, and then now it's kind of playing out. In these kind of 3D weekly divergences, you need to be patient. You need to give it time to play out, because it's a 3D or weekly divergence. So it's gonna take weeks, months to play out. I hope this helps, and see you later today. Cheers.